Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
NCP office eviction sparks political controversy in Bihar. In a dramatic event, Bihar authorities evacuated the Nationalist Congress Party NCP office in Patna, citing procedural compliance. The office on Veer Chand Patel Path was vacated under police supervision. State President Mohammad Rahat Kadri alleged no prior notice was issued, claiming targeted action due to his community background. Officials clarified that several notices had been served, the latest being on January 2. The property owned by the Housing Division was taken back after the NCP lost its national party status. This incident has sparked debates about administrative fairness and political motives in Bihar. Nitish Kumar launches rupees 430 crore Khagaria development plan. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar announced a rupees 430 crore package for Khagaria during his Pragati Yatra. The initiative includes 30 completed projects and 140 new ones. Key highlights are a rupees 43 crore animal feed factory with a 300 metric ton capacity and an RCC bridge over the Bagmati River. Kumar also reviewed flood protection and embankments and launched road projects to improve connectivity. The CM emphasized his government's commitment to equitable development, promising significant investments to uplift infrastructure and economy in the region, aiming to enhance livelihoods and address local challenges. Tejaswi Yadav aligns with Kejriwal, Jol's Congress plan. Tejaswi Yadav growing association with Arvind Kejriwal has intensified political tension in Bihar, complicating Congress alliance strategy ahead of elections. This move comes as RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav backed Mamata Banerjee as the India bloc leader. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi plans to visit Patna on January 18 to mend ties and reaffirm alliances. As regional parties gain prominence, Congress faces the challenge of retaining its influence in the opposition bloc. The shifting alliances highlight the evolving dynamics in Bihar's political arena and the complexities facing traditional partnerships. Prashant Kishore ends hunger strike, plans new actions. Prashant Kishore concluded his 14-day hunger strike against corruption in Bihar's education system. The protest held in Patna gained widespread public support and highlighted systematic inefficiencies. Governor Arif Mohammad Khan intervened, urging dialogue over prolonged protest. Kishore, founder of Jan Suraj, announced the next phase of his movement, calling for collective youth participation to demand governance accountability. The strike underscored the urgent need for reforms in Bihar's education sector and resonated deeply with citizens frustrated by institutional corruption. Kishore remains committed to challenging inefficiencies through grassroots mobilization. Shah Nawaz Hussain confirms Nitish to lead NDA in Bihar. BJP spokesperson Shah Nawaz Hussain confirmed Nitish Kumar as the NDA leader for the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections. He expressed confidence in the alliance unity and its prospect for a landslide victory. Speaking in Samastipur, Hussain criticized the RJD for internal discord and dismissed concerns about opposition strength. He also took a dig at Arvind Kejriwal, terming his governance ineffective. Hussain's remarks underscore the BJP's strategic focus on consolidating alliances and ensuring a strong campaign under Nitish Kumar's leadership, aiming for dominance in the state's political landscape.